So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you see what I'm wearing on my head? Yeah, my hat. I wear this hat every single day. I love hats. They look really cool, and they keep the sun from hitting your head. Whoa, how about you and I? We could draw my hat together. All right, first let's draw a curved line on the bottom, a parallel curved line as well, straight line, a straight line, and then a half circle up top. Whoa! And then this is gonna be a little tricky. Check this out. Whoa! All right, let's draw an oval for the button. All right, and what color is my hat? Yeah, blue and orange. All right, so we need to repeat them. There's orange, here's orange, and then orange down here, of course. And then right up top, we're gonna have to do blue right here. Yeah, it's a pattern. Blue, orange, blue, orange. And how does that look? Does it look great or does it look great? I know. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! Trick or treat! Whoa! Do you know what trick or treat is from? Yeah, Halloween! And do you know what people decorate their houses with? Jack-o'-lanterns! Yeah! Jack-o'-lanterns are pumpkins that they carve pieces out to make silly faces with, and they look really cool. So first, let's take orange because pumpkins are orange. And then let's draw a circle, but it's not a normal circle. It's a squished down circle, as if you squished it from the top and the bottom. And then let's draw some lines. Yeah, so then we can give it some texture, but then we need a stem right up here. Just like that. There you go. Whoa! And then for the silly face. Whoa! Let's draw some triangles. There we go. There we go. And for the mouth. There we go. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, like a tooth. Well, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Trick or treat. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see me? Yeah. Do you see how I'm wearing glasses? Why don't we draw my glasses together? Yeah. All right. They're pretty hard to draw, but I think you got this. First, let's start with a long straight line. There we go. For the top. And then 2 bubbles, half circles. There we go. Perfect. And then you have to draw the arms. Yeah, that's what holds them onto your face, your ears. All right, there we go. A little hook. Perfect. And then one over here. Whoa. Wow. Don't those look good? Yeah. Well, since they're my glasses, maybe we can color them in with orange. Woohoo! All right, there we go. Whoa! I love drawing and coloring, and I love my glasses. Whoa! Well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we draw a lizard together? Wow, lizards are so cool. Yeah, it's an animal and it's a reptile, and they live on every continent on planet Earth, except for Antarctica. Whoa. All right, first let's start with the head. All right, here we go. Whoa, what kind of shape does that look like? Kind of looks like a pentagon. Yeah, and then the body. Oh, there we go. Ooh, and then the tail way over here. Whee! Whoa! How does that look? And what's it missing? Yeah, it's 4 limbs. One right here. One right here. One right here, and one right here. Oh, and we can't forget the eyes, and the nostrils, and the tongue. There we go. Wow! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Now I have a great idea what we could draw today. Let's draw an animal. Really big animal. It's the third largest living land animal today. Yeah, it's a hippopotamus. Oh, what a silly name. Hippopotamus. You can just call him a hippo. All right, let's see. Hippos are really big. So let's draw an oval. Yeah, for its mouth area. Ooh, and then half circle for its head. Ooh, and let's draw 2 small circles for the eyes. Ooh, and then 2 little cute ears. There we go. Ooh, and 2 dots for the nose. Little smiley face. And a really big body because they're so big. Ooh, and then there's 1 back leg and another back leg. Kind of looks like a rectangle. Big belly, and then 2 rectangles up here for the legs. But you can't forget about the tail. There we go. There we go. Hey, hippo. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever been outside when it's raining? Yeah. What do you hold in your hand? Yeah, an umbrella, so then you don't get all wet. Why don't we draw an umbrella together? First, we have to draw a big half circle. Whoa, and then 3 smaller half circles the other way. There we go. And then we need to draw a letter J. Yeah, just like that, for the handle. Doesn't that look like the letter J? I know. And then if we draw lines like this, yeah, it has little sections that we can color it in and make a very colorful umbrella. So let's add some red right there. Whoa! Let's add some green. Whoa! There we go. And let's add some blue. Whoa! Now that's a colorful umbrella. Whoa! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Caw, caw, caw. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a bird. Caw, caw, caw. A stork, to be exact. Yeah, storks are really big birds, and they have really big beaks. Why don't we draw a stork together? Okay. Here we go. Let's draw a big marker and then start with the head. There we go. Whoa, and the body, a little squiggle. And right here. Wow, it's starting to look like a bird. Yeah. First, let's draw the big long bill. Yeah, it's kind of like a triangle, right? And then, here we go. And the eyeball. There we go. But you can't forget about the legs. 2 legs with cute feet, just like that. And then the wing. That's how they fly. Ooh, and then sometimes, yeah, in stories, they can carry babies. Cool. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. See you again. Bye-bye. Caw, caw, caw.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout. Blippi!